How to log in on Discord account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in on the Discord account. First of all, open your Google Play Store. After you open your Google Play Store, on the top search bar you need to search for the Discord right here. After you search for the Discord and see if there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Discord. After you open your Discord, make sure and be ready to log in. Just tap on the login option, tap on your very mobile phone number and your profile password. After you tap on the password and your phone number or email, you can simply log in. But in any case, if you forgot your password, then just tap on forgot your password. And then you need to tap on your account information right here. And then you can change your password by using this. Or you can also use a password manager if you have saved the password on your Google account. So just tap on this and these are all the password. This is a password manager and you can see the passwords from here as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.